Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. CSS syntax. We can put CSS style rule syntax as follows. Selector, property, and value. This is our formula to use it. CSS selector type A. Class selector, B. ID selector. Let's give an example for class selector. Class selector is about assigning style to class name. In this example, our class name is class name and we are adding the color red. Or we can assign tag itself rather than class. For example, if we use h1 in our project, so we just need to put h1 and type what you want to change. It means property and then type the value. We will have lots of examples to understand it. ID selectors. Formula is same. We just use ID rather than class itself. We use the class in this example or tag name, but in this example, we use ID name. We will also have lots of examples about it too. And we have two more CSS selector types, attribute selectors and grouping selectors. We use same formula as you see. We target input specifically. I don't need to put dot or another sign. I just put the input and next type. All type text. Example is going to target all input which has type text and it will make it color blue. And group selector. Group selector are looking for IDs or class name. In this example we use ID. I chose that ID, that ID, that ID and assigning same property and value. I give couple of examples later about them. CSS comment out. We can type our CSS in our CSS file, but sometimes we need to type some notes such as starting point or ending point. We just need to comment out using by Ctrl/ or Command/ for make. We will also make some examples about it too. And we use some measurement units in our CSS file such as pixel, percentage, VH, rem, em, and cm. We will use all of them in our project. And CSS colors. CSS color, we can use CSS color as a hexadecimal or name or RGB or percentage of RGB or short version of RGB like this. Let's start coding. Let's start class selectors. Let's create a div and let's assign a class name. Class name is title. You can assign any name you want. This is our CSS project and save it. Let's assign CSS to title. I just need to put dot and title, then curly brackets and type the code color blue and save it. For example, font size 20 pixels. Save it. Or font weight bold and save it. We can change view of the title from CSS file like this. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.